Okay, you're welcome again to Digital Cloud channel. Today I'll be taking you through how you can make money online, chatting and listening to lonely people as a virtual friend. These are people looking for someone to talk to because they are lonely. People looking depressed people that are actually looking out for people that can actually, talk to their soul, mind, and spirit so that they become lively again. And you can actually, I'll be taking you through about 5 websites where you can actually get this set of people so that you can start making a side income of between $50 and $100 on a daily basis. So the first website I'll be taking you through is here. This is a Papa. Call it Papa Pal. See, we are all need a Papa sometimes. That's why Papa is here. Papa help health plans and employees. This website is actually good for social workers. If you know you can actually take care of the old, or you can work as a social worker. On this website, you have to provide social support and care to people, families, and older people. It's more like a part-time job. Hence, you have to submit your personal information and go through a background check. Automatically, you have to create a profile, and it will do a verification and background check about you. On this platform, you can easily make good amount of money by helping people to do what they cannot do on their own, like moving around in terms of mobility, and you'll be paid within a space of 1 to 2 days. You can make as much as $13 to $16 per hour on this platform. So if you know you can actually take care of old people and you can work as a social worker, this website is the best for you. The second website I would like to take you through is called Rent a Cyber Friend. This website is a very good website where you can make good money through side hustle. You can become a virtual friend on this website because people actually come to this website to look for people that has the same feature with them in terms of their zodiac sign, in terms of their hobby, relationship, and the rest of it. So you can actually act as a virtual friend to people on this platform. You can make good amount of money also from this website. You can make as much as $1 per hour and make like $50 to $100 in a day by just relating with people, talking to people, talking them out of their stress, talking them out of their depression. And whatever you make on this platform, the platform will deduct 20% fee from whatever you must have generated. Let me take you through the third website. The third website is Friend PC. Friend PC. Here you can act as a virtual friend to people on this platform. People come here to look for friends. So you can work as a coach, coaching people, talking to people. As you can see, virtual gamer. You can work as a virtual gamer, a virtual girlfriend to people, or work as a virtual boyfriend to people on this platform, and you can make good amount of money. Relating with people, making them to feel that they have a friend they can talk to at any time. Another good website I will take you through is Fiverr Friendship. This is a very common website, Fiverr Friendship. When you get to the platform, you go and search for Fiverr Friendship, like this. Friendship. On this website, you actually have so many people coming to this website looking for people they can talk to. You can see you have a lot of freelancers charging $5 to $10 depending on your star rating, on their star rating. So we charge as much as $20. So people come to this website to look for people they can actually talk to, so that they can get out of their emotional thoughts, out of their depression and the rest of it. So this is another good website where you can actually set up your profile. A confirmation will be sent to your inbox. After you must have confirmed your email, then you can start making good amount of money. You can make, in a day you can make $10 or $20 or even make $50. Once your star rating is high, you can start making as much as $50 or $100 in a day, because people actually patronize this website a lot. It's a very popular website. That is Fiverr. Then you go to Fiverr Friendship. The most important thing is that you have to use the keyword so that your so that your profile can always come to the first page. Another good website I want to take you through is called Chat Recruit. Chat Recruit. Chat Recruit. As you can see, they end with the world's #1 service for adult and psychic chat. On this website, you can actually chat with people and start making money. It has to do more with adults. Chatting with adults as friends. You can use your phone or your webcam to start talking to people, because they'll be asking you a whole lot of questions about life, about relationship, how you can counsel them, how you can counsel them in a relationship, how you can counsel them as a friend. Encouraging them and making them to, get out of maybe a relationship. Maybe they are having problem with their relationship or so, or their marital affairs. So it's another good website where you can actually make good amount of money every day. So most of these websites, they're actually good for side hustle jobs that you can take time to register with all the websites, and as the job comes, you keep attending to them. Finally, let me take you through the last website. So as you can see, this is the final website, Rent a Local. I decided to play this video so that you understand more about the website. So as you can see, this website is mainly for journalists and tourists. You can actually make good amount of money as a tourist or as a journalist from this website. It's a community that you can easily join and start making money. Let me play the complete video so that.
A virtual experience is when the local friend teleports the traveler to his city. Remote concierge is a local contact for doubts and tips provided via chat or video call. The local experience is when the traveler selects a friend who shares the same interests and speaks the same language to show him around the city. From locals' favorite gems to popular spots that only locals know about.
So as you can see, you can actually sign up with any of these platforms, complete your profile with all the necessary information, and complete the verification process. But make sure that you have a good disposition and good attitude, and your ability to maintain a good relationship, and you can start making good amount of money. So thank you very much for this video. I would like you to subscribe to our channel. Please click the like button, turn on the notification bell, and whenever we produce another video, we can as well get across to you. So thank you very much.